the main reason we're here is because you had all the cars, and now you know it. So I'll bring it down here and let you
she's
tamper
your
it
baby
from time to
now
time.
as well as ours.
Looking good, looking good.
Y'all doing?
We are good.
Thank y'all for letting us work on your beautiful Cadillac.
Oh, we love it.
It's absolutely outstanding.
Isn't
Yep.
it?
Oh man, great car. Originally, Carol had you set up for vintage air, but we made your original work, so I thought that was a lot better for you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The car now is all original.
It's original upholstery and everything.
It's a beautiful car.
It is.
Y'all just keep loving on it.
Oh, we will. We got to make room in the garage.
Oh yeah.
We already checked. There's no rain for the next couple of days, so I might leave it out so the neighbors, want to come over and look.
Yeah.
We weren't ready for it, and this heat of the day, the heat of the summer, isn't really when we want to get it out. We want to take it out in the fall when they have all those in the Kroger parking lot or whatever. You go park your car, and everybody goes around and looks at their cars. That's what we want to do with it. So our plans are this fall to get it out. Not every weekend, every other weekend, and take it out and show it off.
Yes, you have customers for life because you have taken good care of us.
Oh, we thank you so much for saying that.
Okay.